Hello and welcome to the solution to Year 1 and 2's maths problem for this week, which was called Gobstopper. So there are 5 different ways for Jade to have bought her Gobstopper. Let's see how many you managed to find. So first of all, it could have been 5p plus 1p. She could have paid for it using 3 2p's. She could have paid for it using 2 2p's and changing that last 2p to 2 1p's. She could have used just one of the 2p's and changed each of the 2p's up there into 2 1p coins. And then finally, she could have used just 1p coins. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's your first way, second way of doing it, third way of doing it, fourth way of doing it, fifth way of doing it. So hopefully you found lots of those. Second part of the question, exactly the same, but this time, how many ways can you make 7p if the Gobstopper was to cost 7p? So in this case, there were 6 different ways of doing it. So the first way would have been to use a 5p coin and a 2p coin. Second way you could have done it would be using a 5p coin and 2 1p's instead of the 1 2p. You could have used 3 2p coins, which would have been 6p, plus one more, which would have made 7p. Fourth way of doing it would have been to use 2 2p coins instead of 3, and then adding on 3 more 1p coins. Fifth way of doing it, just 1 2p coin this time, and then 5 1p coins. And finally, the 6th possible way of doing it, just like before, would have been just using 1p coins. So 7 of those. And there you have it. 6 different ways to get to the answer. So hopefully you had fun exploring that. There will be no maths challenge for next week because the school is shut for Easter. And then I'll post one on the following Monday. So have a really good Easter and I'll see you soon. Bye.